The people that run the planet, they have been eating mermaids.
Yep.
Why they eat mermaids?
They eat these mermaids is because they contain immortalized cell lines. Those immortalized cell lines have the ability to create immortality. So it's basically the elixir of life. So that's why they feed on the energy of mermaids. When you look at the prefix of the word, mer is also equated to Moor. So these are Moorish women that's inside these bodies of water, just like with Henrietta Lacks. Henrietta Lacks, she had immortalized cell lines because she was able to activate the neuromelanin. They're taking her genetic format and they use it to coat the spaceships when they try to break outside the firmament. Anytime that you have a spaceship and it's not coated with melanin, it'll set the blaze because the neuromelanin in itself is a protectorate from the universe. Our genetic format harmonizes with the cosmos. So that's why they do many different forms of organ trafficking, because they know that our organs is very intrinsic because it contains a lot of melanin. Scientists, they said that the oxidation levels on the planet is starting to eradicate. So that means that oxidation only corresponds with those who have synthetic genetic formats when you're talking about recessive genes. So the atmosphere is starting to transition. So this is why they have to feed off the sustenance of little people and feed off the sustenance of those who have the melanin. 6 ether dissipates into nothingness, but 9 ether has the ability to resurrect itself and be able to harmonize with the energies of nature as we're going back into the galactic center of what we call the Golden Gate. The Golden Gate is actually the energy of the sun. The moon energies doesn't live on the frequency of the sun cycle. Anything that's synthetic to the system is not going to be able to get those light codes. So this is why you see the rise of artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence, they have to merge humans with cybernetics to create an extra lifespan on this planet, because the 6,000 years is up, because we're at the apex of the sun cycle that is being led by solar cycle 25. Solar cycle 25 is when you have an intrinsic force of coronal mass ejections that's coming down to the planet. So that's why you have to have a certain G force in order to get those energies in.